Good morning, dear. Now, are you ready for today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, have you found any fact to share with me?
No, I'm not.
Why, beta? Why? You have not searched it?
Yes, I searched it.
Then?
I prepare one fact.
Okay, please.
Underrated video faster.
Little louder. Little louder.
Underrated video passed of HTMC man attracting crops in the Bengal post for violence.
Okay, I repeat. Say I repeat.
I repeat, underrated video passed of as a TMC man attracting crops in the Bengal post for violence.
Okay. Okay. What do you mean by it? Have you understood the meaning of it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning?
The underrated man an unknown video that is passed on as a to TMC that a man is attracting crops in the Bengal.
Okay. Okay.
Crops.
Crops. Okay. Now, please, have you done the homework? The sentences which I gave you?
Yes, ma'am, I done.
Okay. Please, read your sentences. Read your
And
sentences.
simple task. She reads the newspaper daily.
She reads a newspaper daily. Okay.
I do my work daily.
Okay.
He eats junk food every day.
Okay.
He goes to the park daily.
Okay.
He always plays with me.
He
And
always.
I'm in negative.
Huh.
He always plays with me.
He
I'm in
always
negative
plays with me. Play nahi, plays with me. Huh.
Yes, ma'am, I written plays. Yes,
Okay.
plays.
Okay. Okay. Next
I'm
one.
in negative. She does not read the newspaper daily.
She does not. Reads नहीं होगा. Reads में से s हट जाएगा. Because when you write does at that time it will be read. She does not read the newspaper. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one.
You do not do your work daily.
You do not do your work daily, right? Absolutely right.
He does not eats junk food every day.
Eats में से ठीक s हटा दो.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
He does not eat junk food every day.
Okay, ma'am. He does not go to play park daily.
Okay, again does not goes नहीं होगा. इसको ठीक करो. क्या होगा? He does not go. Right, absolutely right. Does जब होता है ना, then verb के साथ s या es नहीं लगता. He does not go to the park.
He does not always play with you.
Again, correct it.
He does not always plays with you.
Plays नहीं होगा ना. क्या होगा? What I am telling you. Play. हाँ. जब भी does लिखोगे तब verb में से s es हटा देना है.
Okay.
Next one. Okay, now interrogative. Have you made the interrogative?
Yes, ma'am, I also do interrogatives.
Okay, please.
Interrogatives are there. Does she read the newspaper daily?
Again, does she read the newspaper? Remove s from read.
Yes.
Okay. Next one.
Do you do your work daily?
Do you do your work daily? Absolutely right.
Does he eat junk food every day?
Very good. Does he eat junk food every
Does
day?
he go to the park daily?
Does he go to the park daily? Very good.
Does he always play with you?
Does he always play with you? Yes. Or
Yes, now I done.
okay, you have done. Now, have you understood about using of do and does?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there should not be any confusion. If you have any doubt, any confusion, please ask me. Okay. Now, what is the
Ma'am, while making sentence, I am not getting to use do and does in which he or she, ma'am, once I read the chart, once I read the uses of do and does.
okay? Okay. Now it is clear to you. I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I hope you know present continuous, present perfect continuous. You know all those
Yes,
things.
ma'am. Praise, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I just want to tell you what is the difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous. Please give me one sentence in present continuous. One sentence in present continuous.
Where are you going with your family?
Okay, that is a question mark sentence. Where are you going with your family? Or isko, if it is only make it assertive sentence, then how will you write
Ma'am,
it?
we are going. Ma'am, I'm making an answer. Ma'am, we are going to cinema hall.
Okay, we are going to cinema hall, right? Absolutely right. This is present continuous. And if you want to make a sentence in present perfect continuous, how will you write?
Ma'am, we use have.
Had nahi, had in past tense. Has been and have been.
Yes, ma'am, had been.
Had nahi, has been or have been. Had is used in past tense.
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, sorry. Have, ma'am, have or has.
Have or has plus been.
Yes, ma'am, sorry.
Okay, now give a sentence.
Ma'am, in perfect continuous.
Yes, present perfect continuous.
She has been playing. She has been playing with you.
ओके शी हैज बीन प्लेइंग विथ यू. उसके साथ एक टाइम देना है. कब से खेल रही है? शी हैज बीन प्लेइंग विथ यू
From last 30 minutes.
ओके मैंने बोला था ना फ्रॉम नहीं लगता. इधर यू राइट फॉर यू और यू राइट सिंस. वो भी मैंने उस दिन सिखाया था. फॉर इज यूज फॉर अनस्पेसिफिक टाइम एंड सिंस इज यूज फॉर स्पेसिफिक टाइम. तो आप बोलो क्या होगा? She has been playing with you
Since last 30
since last 30 minutes. Absolutely right. Since last 30 minutes. Or if you say for, then you have to say for 30 minutes. For 30 minutes means it is not specific. Okay, it is not specified. You are talking about which 30 minutes. But when you have said last 30 minutes, then you have specified it. So you will write since. Absolutely right. Now please write both the sentences. One is she is playing with you. Second is she has been playing with you since last 30 minutes. Please write both the sentences. नहीं, heading दो difference between heading. Yes, put the heading as difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous. What is the difference between two? You should be clear about that. Okay. What is the difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous? Put the heading. Okay, now write the present continuous tense. Now write, please write. The present continuous tense
Yes, ma'am.
is used. The present continuous tense is used to express The present continuous tense is used to express an action that is going on at the time of speaking. That is going
at the time of speaking.
Yes, at the time of speaking. The present continuous tense is used to express an action that is going on at the time of speaking. Done? Now write your sentence. We are क्या था? We are going to the cinema hall. या ऐसा कुछ था ना? What was your sentence? Please write something. Or she is playing with me. ये लिख लो. Or he is playing with you. ये लिख लो. Whatever you feel like, you please write.
Garden.
Okay, what sentence you have written?
We are going to cinema.
We are going to cinema. Okay, absolutely right. Now this is the example. Okay, this one is the example of present continuous. Now next point. The present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense lays, L-A-Y-S, lays,
Ma'am, lays, L-A-Y-S.
Right, L-A-Y-S, lays, emphasis, emphasis, E-M-P-H-A-S-I-S, emphasis, emphasis means put stress,
E-M-P-H-A-S-I-S. Okay, ma'am.
Emphasis on the period of time. The present perfect continuous tense lays emphasis on the period of time for which an action has been going on. For which an action has been going on. What is the meaning of this sentence? Can you tell me the meaning of this sentence? The
Maybe you already required.
हाँ.
Ma'am, no.
The present perfect continuous tense lays emphasis. Lays emphasis means उसके ऊपर ये stretch देता है, stress देता है. On the period of time means कौन से time में ये काम हुआ है. For which an action has been going on. Okay, that means whenever you write present perfect continuous tense, you should have to or you should mention the time. Okay, when that work is going on. And it is going on. That means it is not yet completed. Now give me a sentence. Like earlier you said that she is playing with you since last 30 minutes.
She has been playing with you since last 30 minutes.
Write it down. She has been playing with you since last 30 minutes. Okay, now in simple language, what you have understood? What is the difference between two? क्या समझ में आया? What is the difference between two tenses? कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस एंड परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस, फर्क क्या है इसमें?
When continues, it is express and action.
Okay, action which is going on. Which action is yes, going on. And the next one is a time should be given. Okay, perfect continuous here may whether it is past perfect or future perfect or present perfect. Whenever you write a perfect continuous tense, a time should be given. कब तक हो रहा था, कब तक हो रहा है. Okay, she was playing, like you said, she has been playing with you since last 30 minutes, means she is playing, अभी भी खेल रही है. ठीक है. दूसरा क्या है? खेल रही है. दूसरा है she is playing. Suppose same sentence if you say she is playing with you, that means she is playing with you, वो तुम्हारे साथ खेल रही है. कब से खेल रही है, कब तक खेल रही है, you don't know anything. But if you say she has been playing with you, that means the work is still going on. So you have to give a time for that. Understand? एक एक sentence और कर लो. एक sentence बनाओ which is to be written in continuous as well as in the perfect continuous. एक sentence और बनाओ.
Ma'am, of present perfect.
Perfect नहीं, present continuous, and same sentence should be changed into present perfect continuous. ठीक है. एक sentence बनाओ. Like simple sentence बना लो. I am studying English. This will be present continuous.
My video is visible.
Yes, I can see your video.
But in my phone it is not showing. I don't know what is problem.
Okay, but I can see your video.
But once I am leaving, I am rejoining it.
Okay. In the meantime, I just want to tell you one more reason to do. The verb have can be used to show possession or to indicate an action or experience. Like, the guests are having real fun. It is an experience. You are experiencing. She has a good collection of books. That is possession. And he is having his breakfast, is eating, and it is an action which is going on. Having his breakfast, in the other words, that means eating. So we can say the difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous are: first is the present continuous tense is used to express an action that is going on, like I am reading. Second one is the present perfect continuous tense lays emphasis on the period of time for which an action has been going on. That is, his eyes are turning red, or she has been reading for 2 hours. Okay, she has been reading for 2 hours. And the third one is she has a good collection of books. Okay. Now please, have you written?
No, I am reading.
Writing. Okay. Quickly write same sentence in both the tense. Sentence should be same, then it will be clear to you.
Okay.
Excuse me. Okay, very good. Please read your sentence.
We are going to Manali yesterday. Ma'am, it is a perfect.
एक सेकेंड बेटा, एक सेकेंड. We are going to Manali yesterday. Today बोलो. We are going to Manali today. Yesterday तो फिर वर हो जाएगा ना. You have to very careful. अब जैसे हम जा रहे हैं के साथ कल जा रहे हैं ऐसे थोड़ी बोल सकते हो, है ना. We are going to Manali today.
We have been going to Manali since yesterday.
नहीं, since we have been going to Manali since my childhood. जब से मैं छोटा था तब से हम मनाली जाते हैं. ठीक है. तो one is we are going to Manali today and second is we have been going to Manali since my childhood or last or for 10 years, whatever you think, right. ठीक है ना, समझ में आ गया. Now please write one more sentence. एक sentence और बोलो. Same sentence. Both.
And for both.
Yes, same sentence for both the tenses.